Here we are with Carlos in Meriden, Connecticut. Hi, Carlos.
How's it going?
Oh, pretty good, pretty good. Just really excited about talking to you, my friend, because I realized that there was a significant amount of water in your basement before you called us. And I just wanted you to let me know a little bit more. Why do you have to do this job?
So really, it was more of a necessity. There was times where like rain, snow would pile up around around the house, like any other place, and it would just flood into the basement to the point where it'd be reaching like the second step or even the first or second step. And with electronics and that kind of stuff down there, even the heater, it's a bit of a problem. So it became more of a necessity more than a need, more of a want.
Awesome. So I want to ask you a couple more questions, but I want to go inside so I can see what the work that we did.
Yeah,
Can we go inside?
Yeah.
Sure. All right, after you. So Carlos, so now that we are in your basement, I was wondering, what was the amount of water that you had here? Was it just a little bit of dampness, or was it a lot of water?
It was the same amount. So, like, for example, this tank right now, it was about like this high roughly. So it'd be to the point where that whole feet was going to be underneath water, and that's the basement is not good since it's the foundation of the house.
I agree, totally, 100%. So, are you happy with the job?
Oh yeah, definitely. Ever since then, the walls have been dry, the floor has been dry. Now we can actually use it for the things we want to use for storage and sort of like work,
Perfect. Would you recommend M Squared to somebody else?
Oh, 100% definitely. The work was fast, it was well done, and honestly, even with the most recent storm, I haven't had an issue of water coming to the basement. It's just been dry and good. I'm glad to be able to use it again.
Perfect. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure working with you guys as well.
Likewise. Thank you.
Thank you.